Using an AI crypto trading bot has allowed me to earn passively from literally anywhere in the world. And you can probably tell by the quality of the camera. I'm using my laptop one, and that's simply because I'm traveling right now, using an AI crypto trading bot to make money for me. And I'm going to show you in this video how you too can easily, even if you're a beginner to crypto, a beginner to trading, how you can easily make money passively by using an AI trading bot to manage your risk, manage your stop losses, take profit for you. Literally, you can set it up and you're good to go. You can start basically boosting your profits in trading. So let's get into it, guys. Quick smash of the like button and let me show you exactly how it works. So this is what I've been using, 𝗙𝗏𝗆 AI. It's an automated crypto trading software that connects through Telegram. And if you're not familiar with Telegram, it's kind of like WhatsApp, just a whole lot better. And it connects to your trading exchange. All you need to do to set up is fill out 𝗙𝗏𝗆𝗆's easy onboarding form. And the way that you can start is with no commitment. They do in fact have a 7-day free trial, so you can try it out without entering any card details or anything like that. And then of course, if you're getting on well with it, if you like it, you can check out their plans, and we will talk about the plans in a minute. They're very, very reasonable, well worth the software that you get and the integration. So let's talk about 𝗙𝗏𝗆 just before I show you how to get set up and use the bots, because I will be showing you how they work on Telegram. That's how they're set up. So 𝗙𝗏𝗆, set your trading to autopilot. A little bit of a pun intended, I guess, but the name says exactly what it does. Use our AI-powered trading bots to automate trade signals and outperform 99% of traders. That's important because something like 99% of retail traders lose money. If you're using 𝗙𝗏𝗆, you'll be in the 1% of people that don't. Now, monitoring trade bot activity and data with Telegram, we'll go onto that in a minute. So it manages risk for you. It's secure and easy. You actually keep your own crypto, your funds in your own trading account. No need to send any crypto to anyone. And you can literally start it in minutes, as you'll see in a second, and you'll never miss a signal. So just let me remind you or mention that I have a link down below where you can start your free trial, no commitment, no credit card needed. And there is, in fact, if you do want to go ahead and start straight away with a plan, if you use code BOT50, you'll get 50% off your first month as well. So let's check it out. Let's see exactly what 𝗙𝗏𝗆's about beyond earning passively, professional risk management, trading bots. Let's see the nitty-gritty of what it actually is. So this is Telegram, and of course you can use Telegram on your phone. I'm just showing you the application on my laptop. Most people use it on their phone. So you get trade signals no matter where you are in the world. Like I said, I'm currently traveling. I've got my bot set up and it's doing everything for me. One thing you can manage, however, by starting up the bot here on Pilot Bot is managing your own risk. So if you click on risk, or tapping it if you were on the Telegram app, you can choose your own risk percentage, which is amazing because it allows you to choose a percentage that you're comfortable with losing as a maximum per trade. Now, the higher that percentage is, of course, the higher the potential profit is. Lower percentage, lower the potential profits are. I'm pretty comfortable. I think mine's currently set at 3%. I've got, let's say, kind of a substantial amount. In fact, you can see what I've got in Pilot Bot at the moment. If I click on status, so I've got 7,000 there at the moment. Started with 4.5, by the way. So I've made 2,500 in the last few weeks. Very nice. But you can see, basically, by managing your own risk and by viewing open trades to see current positions. I don't think there's any trades open right now. If you did, however, you would see them in your trading account. Now, 𝗙𝗏𝗆 does work with a couple of different exchanges. If you're in the US, it will be working with a US exchange very soon. I suggest, but it's not there just yet. Depends when you're watching the video. If it isn't just yet, join the free bot signals group, link down below for that, so you'll be notified. But yeah, it will be certainly working in the whole world, US, very, very soon. So just make sure you join that Telegram group to be notified of when. So yeah, beyond everything that it does, you can see some of the results for 𝗙𝗏𝗆bot. And remember, there's 4 different bots. You can see last 5 closed, 100% win rate, 64%. Last 10 trades, 90% win rate, 80% returns. Last 15 trades. The results, guys, are pretty staggering. Like I said, on average, and to be fair, that's very conservative, you can make 50 to 55% per month. Of course, there are fees on the trading exchange, but yeah, I mean, it beats 99% of the retail market. So using CryptoPilot is excellent. Once again, guys, links down below so you can check it out and get started. The other thing I wanted to show you is 𝗙𝗏𝗆bot. So 𝗙𝗏𝗆bot basically works by averaging into the market to minimize losses, maximize profits. You can see some of the closed trades on 𝗙𝗏𝗆bot as well. Very, very profitable. And TopTraderBot is super cool because it's a copy trading bot. It actually allows you to copy the best traders on Binance from your Bybit or from a Kraken account, which will be the US setup. So very, very easy to use. You can configure your own leverage, the percentage of balance you want to use, and you can kind of see the status. Again, $1,000 on TopTrader I've got on 𝗙𝗏𝗆bot. You can see my status. Can't remember what I've got set up on here. I know I started with about 2,000. So yeah, it's made about 1,600 there. So CryptoPilot does everything for you, manages the risk, and to get set up, you just click on start my free trial. Let's talk about the plans. So the plans, these prices are going up very, very soon, I'm informed. But at the moment you can get, these are actually annual prices, it's discounted, so it would be 19 times 12. The most popular plan by far is the annual pilot, because you get access to all of the bots and you get up to $50,000 in trading balance. If you want to use more than $50,000, choose Captain. And of course, if you're only interested in a small balance and just using 𝗙𝗏𝗆bot, you can go for Cadet. You can do it monthly as well. You don't get the 33% savings as you do with annual, but of course you can do it monthly, so you're not as committed, let's say. Of course, CryptoPilot is a medium to long-term product. You do need to be in it for several months really to start seeing the benefits, because in crypto trading there are risks in any day, week, or even potential month. You could be down, but overall average returns 55% with CryptoPilot. Let me know in the comments what you think of CryptoPilot, and again, links are all down below. And don't forget, there is an exclusive discount code using code at checkout, BOT50. It will give you 50% off your first month with CryptoPilot. Thanks for watching, guys. Check out any one of these videos before you go. Take care. Bye-bye.